Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you the types of logo designs. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. There are 7 types of logo designs. Number 1. Abstract mark logo design. An abstract mark is a specific type of pictorial logo. Instead of being a recognizable image, like an apple or a bird, it's an abstract geometric form that represents your business. Like all logo symbols, abstract marks work really well because they condense your brand into a single image. Number 2. Emblem mark logo design. One of the oldest forms of a logo is the emblem. Simply put, it's text inside of a symbol, often a circle or other shape, with curved text and a vintage feel. Think of badges, seals or crests. This logo is treated as a cohesive image, rather than typography. Number 3. Combination mark logo design. Combination mark definition. Combination marks are graphics with both text and a symbol, icon that conveys the brand image that you wish to create for your company or organization. Concise text can complement an icon or symbol, providing supplemental clarity as to what your enterprise is all about. Number 4. Mascot mark logo design. A combination mark is a logo comprised of a combined word mark or letter mark and a pictorial mark, abstract mark, or mascot. The picture and text can be laid out side by side, stacked on top of each other, or integrated together to create an image. Number 5. Word mark logo design. A word mark, or logotype is usually a distinct text-only typographic treatment of the name of a company, institution, or product name used for purposes of identification and branding. Examples can be found in the graphic identities of the Government of Canada, FedEx, Microsoft, and IBM. Number 6. Letter mark logo design. Letter mark is a symbol representing the company through the use of its initials or the brand's first letter. These marks are exclusively typographic. The McDonald's logo represents the ideal marriage of letter form and symbolism. Now the last type is pictorial mark logo design. Pictorial marks. Pictorial mark is an image that is immediately recognizable and that has been simplified and stylized in a unique way. Pictorial marks are very popular because they communicate more about a brand than an abstract logo mark. Hope you like this video tutorial. It's helpful tutorial for beginners to learn the types of logo design. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.